Dear friends, today I am going to show you the way I propagated Azolla plant at my home garden from a small number of Azolla leaves to a pond full of Azolla plants. As we know, Azolla is a fast-growing water plant having best nutrient contents which we can substitute for expensive animal food, especially for fish. Azolla or mosquito fern is a genus of 7 species of aquatic ferns in the family Salviniaceae. They are extremely reduced in form and specialized, looking nothing like other typical ferns but more resembling duckweed or some mosses. Azolla is considered an invasive plant in wetlands, freshwater lakes and ditches. It can alter aquatic ecosystems and biodiversity substantially. I have been growing fish for food and ornamental fish in my garden, but was fed up of giving expensive fish food. Then it was social media that gave me an idea about Azolla plant, which can substitute any fish food available in the market. But there lies a starting expense of a separate pond to grow these Azolla plants. Searching through online markets, I found a baby bathing polythene pond on Flipkart for just 500 rupees. And I decided to test with this as a medium of Azolla growing. After unpacking, clean the polythene pond well and keep it on sunlight for a day. Fill with water and widen the sides of the polythene during water filling. Try to do this by 2 persons so that it would be easier. Just put 10 to 20 pieces of Azolla plant leaves to the water and wait for 1 week. As you know, Azolla plant will multiply in 3 days, so the growth will be faster and would fill the pond completely. Azolla is a highly productive plant. It doubles its biomass in 3 to 10 days, depending on conditions. Nutritive value of Azolla is well documented, which shows that it is a good source of protein with almost all essential amino acids required for animal nutrition, notably lysine. Furthermore, it also provides macronutrients like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and vitamins like vitamin A and B12.